conservation of linear momentum. First of all, we study law of conservation of linear momentum. When no external force acts on a system of several interacting particles, the total linear momentum of the system is conserved. The total linear momentum is the vector sum of the linear momenta of the particles of the system. Now, consider an isolated system of n particles. Isolated system means when no external force acting on the system. Suppose the n particles have masses m1, m2, m3, mn and are moving with velocity v1, v2, v3 and vn respectively. The total linear momentum of the system is P equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 plus mn vn, or we can write it like this: m1 v1 is the momentum of first particle, so we write it as p1 plus p2 plus pn. Now we know that when no external force acting on the system, then F acting is equal to 0. Now, according to the Newton's second law of motion, we know that F is equal to dp over dt. When no force acting on the system, it means F is 0. So we get here dp over dt. Now, as derivative of a constant is 0, so it means this p is constant, or we can write it like this: p1 plus p2 plus pn equal to constant. Thus, in the absence of any external force, the total linear momentum of the system is constant. This is the law of conservation of a linear momentum. Practical applications of the law of conservation of a momentum. First, recoil of a gun. Let m be the mass of the gun and small m be the mass of the bullet. Before firing, both the gun and the bullet are at rest. After firing, the bullet moves with velocity v and gun moves with velocity v. As no external force acts on the system, so according to the principle of conservation of momentum, total momentum before firing is equal to total momentum after firing. Total momentum before firing is equal to 0 and total momentum after firing is mass into velocity of the gun plus mass and velocity of the bullet, or we can write it like this: mv equal to minus mv, or v equal to minus m over m v. This v is the velocity of the gun. This negative sign indicates that velocity of the gun is in opposite direction of that of the bullet. Second application is While firing a bullet, the gun should be held tightly to the shoulder. The recoiling gun can hurt the shoulder. If the gun is held tightly against the shoulder, then the body and the gun together will constitute one system. Total mass becomes large and the recoil velocity becomes very small. Third, when a man jumps out of a boat to the shore, the boat slightly moves away from the shore. Initially, total momentum of the boat and the man is 0. As the man jumps from the boat to the shore, he gains a momentum in the forward direction. To conserve momentum, the boat also gains an equal momentum in the opposite direction. So the boat slightly moves backward. Fourth, an astronaut in open space who wants to return to the spaceship throws some object in the direction opposite to the direction of motion of the ship. By doing so, he gains a momentum equal and opposite to that of the thrown object, and so he moves towards the spaceship. Fifth, explosion of a bomb. Before explosion, suppose the bomb is at rest. Its total momentum is 0. As it explodes, it breaks up into many parts of masses m1, m2, m3, etc., which fly off in different directions with velocity v1, v2, v3, etc. The different parts have definite momenta m1 v1, m2 v2, m3 v3, m4 v4, m5 v5. The momenta of various parts can be represented by the sides of a closed polygon taken in the same order. This indicates that total momentum after explosion is 0. That is, momentum is conserved. If the bomb explodes into two parts, they will fly off in opposite directions with equal momenta. Sixth, rocket and jet planes work on the principle of conservation of momentum. Initially, both the rocket and its fuel are at rest. Their total momentum is 0. For rocket propulsion, the fuel is exploded. The burnt gases are allowed to escape through a nozzle with a very high downward velocity. The gases carry a large momentum in the downward direction. To conserve momentum, the rocket also acquires an equal momentum in the upward direction and hence start moving upward.